Ever contemplated the impact of a single crack on an ice sheet in Antarctica? It's more significant than you might think. This isn't a trivial issue, it's a global concern. Welcome to the intricate world of glacier fractures and their profound implications on our planet. A glacier fracture or a crevasse is a deep crack or fracture in an ice sheet or glacier. They're born out of the immense pressure and movement of the glacier itself. As the glacier shifts and flows, it stretches the surface ice. But ice, like most materials, has a breaking point. When the stress exceeds this threshold, a crack forms, which can grow into a full-blown crevasse. These fractures are not just spectacular geological phenomena, they're also indicators of a much larger, more alarming issue. As the Earth's temperature rises due to climate change, glaciers are melting at an unprecedented rate. And here's where the science gets fascinating, but also quite troubling. You see, the more a glacier fractures, the faster it melts. These fractures absorb more sunlight than the flat, unbroken ice around them. This absorbed sunlight heats the ice, causing it to melt faster. And when a glacier melts, it doesn't just disappear, it flows into the world's oceans, raising global sea levels. Think of it like filling a glass with ice and water. As the ice melts, the water level in the glass rises. Now imagine that on a planetary scale. The ice from the melting glaciers is causing our glass, the Earth's oceans, to overflow. This results in higher sea levels, which lead to more frequent and more severe coastal flooding. The impact of this could be devastating. Coastal cities could become uninhabitable, and entire island nations might disappear under the rising seas. It's a sobering thought, isn't it? Our actions, or in some cases our inaction, have the potential to reshape the world as we know it. But it's not too late to make a difference. By reducing our carbon footprints, supporting renewable energy sources, and advocating for policies that mitigate climate change, we can slow down the melting of glaciers and the rising of sea levels. So, the next time you see an image of a fractured glacier, remember that it's not just a stunning natural spectacle. It's a stark warning from one of the coldest places on Earth. It's a call to action, a plea to every one of us to do our part in combating climate change. Our future and the future of our planet depends on it.